Hello, I'm Anjana and you are watching Public Times 24/7. Let's turn to today's big news.
Life in the shadow of terror in Myanmar. 35 lakh people rendered homeless, forced to take shelter in camps. Myanmar is in a state of panic due to the powerful earthquake that struck 4 days ago. So far, about 1,700 people have been confirmed dead due to this disaster. At the same time, more than 3,400 are injured and 139 people are missing. Many people are still buried under the rubble. Rescue operations are still going on even after 4 days. Along with the relief and rescue workers, the local people are also engaged in removing the rubble to finding their loved ones. At the same time, due to the scorching heat, the bodies have started sticking. It is also becoming difficult to breathe in the air. The magnitude of the earthquake can be estimated from the fact that about 35 lakh people have become homeless there. The situation is such that there is no enough space in the hospitals and patients are being treated temporarily on the roads. It is worth nothing that due to the earthquake on Friday, many buildings have collapsed and there has been extensive damage. Myanmar is in the grip of a long-running civil war and there is already a major humanitarian crisis there. In such a situation, relief and rescue operations are becoming very difficult. At least 6 more tremors have occurred in Myanmar till Sunday. An earthquake of 5.1 magnitude hit near Mandalay, Myanmar's second largest city, on Sunday. An earthquake of 6.4 magnitude hit on Saturday. People are trying to recover from the earthquake of 7.7 magnitude on Friday and the damage caused by it. The death of more than 1,700 people has shaken people. More than 3,400 people are injured. 100 are missing, for whose search operations are being conducted. India, being the first to extend a helping hand to Myanmar under Operation Brahma, has sent relief material, rescue teams and medical equipment by 5 military aircraft till late Saturday night after unloading important supplies and equipment at Naypyidaw International Airport. The Indian team moved to a port area 45 minutes away from there. The expansion of the operation began on Sunday morning when a reconnaissance team of an officer and a junior commissioned officer reached Mandalay, 160 miles north of our current base. Mandalay will be the center of India's relief operation. The route to reach there is mainly air, but the use of road route is also being considered to set up an operation theater. 35 lakh people have become homeless in Myanmar. In Mandalay alone, more than 15 lakh people are spending the night in camps. Manager of Catholic Relief Services, Kara Berg, said that there are many areas which have not been reached yet.
That's all for now. We will meet again with another big news. Till then, namaskar and keep watching Public Times 24/7.